Hello, Kevin. Good evening. Hello, hello. Hi. Hello, Kevin. Good evening. Can you hear teacher? Hello? Hello, hello.
Yeah.
Hi, good evening, Kevin. And welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you? How are you today?
Um, mm,
You're good. Wow. That's good to know. And did you already eat your dinner?
not
No, still not. Okay. What time? What time will you eat your dinner?
is who meat?
After class, you will eat your dinner?
No.
No. Or later? But you will eat dinner later? Or you don't eat dinner? You don't eat?
Yes.
Oh, really? Okay. So now, are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So last time, we have learned about our we had learned about
My
our
hobby.
hobbies. Very good. So again, when we say hobbies, Kevin, hobbies are the things that we do for fun. We do it mostly in our free time. So like for example, like doing sports. So this is our first hobby. So first hobby is, again, what is this, Kevin?
Um, doing sport.
Okay, very good. So that is our first hobby. And next, how about this one?
Eat drawing a picture and
And starts with letter P. And painting.
painting.
Okay, very good. So we can just mix the two together. So we can say painting and drawing pictures.
Painting and drawing picture.
Okay, very good. And next, how about this one? What is the hobby that they are doing? Hmm.
The
What are they
piano
playing?
or playing a guitar.
Pita?
Guitar.
Computer? Guitar. Okay, let's say guitar. Let's say playing the piano or guitar. Okay, again,
Playing the piano or guitar.
very good. So again, what is this hobby? Playing.
But playing the piano or guitar.
Okay, very good. So good job. And next, how about this one?
Playing a kite.
Very good. So flying the kite or a kite.
Flying.
Next,
Singing a song.
very good. Singing a song or singing songs. Next is making.
Make,
What is
making,
she making?
making the cake.
Making. Okay, very good. Making the cake or making cakes.
Making cakes.
Okay, next.
Listen to music.
Very good. Listen to music or
Listening to music.
listening to music.
Listening
Listening to music.
Okay, next one is oh,
Reading my book.
very good. Reading book or
reading
reading
stories.
reading stories. And next one, what are they doing? Fishing.
Fishing with my dad.
Very good. So fishing with my dad or fishing
Fishing with Dad.
with dad. So good job. And next, what are they doing? What are they doing?
He,
Are it's what are
jumping and running.
where are they jumping and running? Where are they jumping and running? What is that place? What do we call this place? Running and jumping in the, is it in the beach?
Is a park.
Very good. So
Running and jumping in the park.
running and jumping in the park.
Park.
Okay, next. How about our last one? What are
Swimming.
what is what is it?
Swimming to sea.
Okay, very good. So we can say swimming in the
Swimming in the sea.
sea, not
Swimming in the sea.
okay, very good. Not swimming to sea. So it is swimming in the sea. Okay. So now, so let's practice all of these hobbies. So you will proceed and name all of the hobbies that we see here in the picture. So let's try. So let's play the game What's Behind the Wall. So this is all about the hobbies that we learned and you will proceed and name all of those. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you the first one. Okay.
Listening to music.
Okay, very good. First one is listening to music. Very good. Next. Okay, let me see. Hmm, Oh, I know you know this
Fly in
one.
the sky.
Very good. It's flying a kite. Next. Okay,
Eat
it's
the piano or
piano playing
playing a guitar.
a beat. Okay, again, let's say playing a piano and guitar.
Playing piano or guitar.
And guitar.
And guitar.
Yeah, very good. Next. Mm, uh,
Swimming in the
swimming.
sea.
Swimming in the
Sea.
sea. Very good. Swimming in the sea. Okay, wait. Let's check if your answer is correct. Mm, very good. This is swimming in the sea. How about the next one? Oh, very easy. What is the girl doing?
Singing song.
Very good. It's singing songs. And next,
Jumping and running in my in
in
the
my
park.
very good. So running and jumping in the park. Okay. Next.
Reading story.
Very good. Wow. So reading stories. And next,
Making a cake.
very good. Making cakes. And next one is
Karate.
huh? what is our what is
Doing sport.
very good. Our first hobby, doing sports. Next. Oh, very easy.
Painting and drawing the picture.
Very good. So painting and drawing pictures. Next.
Fishing with my dad.
Okay, fishing with my dad or fishing with dad. And next. Oh, okay. So let's have another activity. So for this activity, so we will match the pictures into what we can see. We will match, for example, this one, number 1. So what is this hobby? Or what is this first? What can you see in the picture number 1? What's that?
Uh,
Hmm?
doing sport.
Doing sport. Very good. And what is this? What are this that you can see in the picture? What?
People.
Huh?
Is
It's
it doing sport.
it's yes, it's doing sports. But what can you see in the first picture?
Eat
Is
ball.
huh?
Eat ball.
Ball, very good. So can you say what kind of ball is this one? Or what is the name of this ball? What's the name of this ball?
Eat football.
Very good. Or is it football? Are you sure? How about this one? If this is football, what is this?
Uh, is
It's
is
okay. Actually, this one, so usually, Kevin, we call this one a soccer ball. Soccer ball. And this one, so we call it as football.
football.
Yes. So let me show you some pictures. So this one. This one is a soccer ball. Okay, this.
Soccer ball.
Okay, soccer ball. And this one is football. Yeah, football, soccer ball. Okay, so again, so let's go back to the picture that we have here. So again, what is this, Kevin? This one, it's
Eat
a
soccer ball.
soccer ball. Very good. How about this one?
Eat football.
It's football. And the last one is?
Eat
What is this ball?
mm,
Hmm. Is it tennis or baseball?
tennis.
Okay, very good. So that is a tennis ball. Again, what is this ball? It's, let's say it in a sentence. It's
Tennis.
tennis ball.
Tennis ball.
Very good. So for our number 1, you are correct. First hobby that we have is doing sports. Now, can you match? Oh, let's go in our second picture. What hobby is this? So can you draw a line? Can you draw a line into the name or to complete the name of this hobby? This is number 2. So painting and drawing what?
Doing. Eat painting and drawing the picture.
Okay, can you find where is pictures and can you draw a line? Draw. Can you use your pen? Use your pen to draw a line.
Uh,
Or can you use a pen like this? Draw a line, draw.
I don't know.
Ah, you cannot use your pen?
Yes.
Really? Okay, so let's just, again, what is this? What is the second hobby? Painting.
Painting and drawing the picture.
Okay, can you tell teacher where is the picture? The word picture in these words? Is it number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Okay,
Number 1.
okay, very good. So it's number 1. So I'll just write the line. Okay. Next, number 3. So let's proceed to our third picture. What hobby is that?
It
Hmm. What are they doing? Tut, 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 tut. It's
is
what hobby is that?
playing
Playing.
piano. Playing piano or guitar.
Okay, very good. Can you tell teacher where can we see the word that will complete this word? Where is the piano or guitar? Can you count?
Number 6.
Very good. Okay, so it's number 6. Again, let's read. It's playing, playing. Let's read the whole
Playing
word.
the piano or guitar.
Very good. And for the fourth picture, what is the boy doing?
He's flying a kite.
Very good. Can you tell teacher where is the word that will
It's
complete?
number 11.
Okay, very good. So number 11. So now let's read the whole sentence. It's, let's read, flying.
He's flying a kite.
Very good. Flying a kite. And next, number 5. What are they doing?
He's singing song.
Very good. Singing songs. Can you tell teacher the number? What is the number of the word songs?
He's
Number?
number 5.
Huh?
No,
Number 1, 2. Number?
it's number
What number? Where
It-
is the word
it's
number?
number 8.
Okay, very good. So again, let's read the phrase, the complete phrase. It's, what is the number? What is our hobby in number 5? What's our hobby?
It
It's, this one. Look at the picture. What are they doing?
sing song.
Singing. Okay, let's say singing
Singing
songs. Okay, next. How about in picture number 6? What are they doing?
is making cake.
Very good. Where is the word cakes?
It number 7.
Okay, very good. So now let's again read the hobby. It's
It making cake.
okay. Number 7. How about in number 7? What is the
It
boy doing? In the,
listening to music.
okay, where is the word to
Mm,
music?
Number 10.
Number 10. Very good. Again, let's read. Listening.
Listening to music.
Okay, very good. Listening to music. And next, number 8. What
It
is the boy doing?
reading story.
Okay, very good. Reading stories. Can you tell teacher
Then
where is the word?
number 3.
Number 3. Very good. Okay. And let's read again. What is the boy doing in this picture?
It fishing with that.
Ah, this one first. This one. In the square. In the box. What is the boy doing?
Is
Look at the box. This one. What is the boy doing? It's
is
reading.
then
Reading what? Reading.
the story.
Okay, for number 9, let's proceed with number 9. What is the boy and the girl doing? Hmm.
Running and jumping.
Okay, running and jumping
Jumping in the park.
in the park. And where is the word?
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay, let's read again. What is this hobby? It's what's this hobby? What are they doing? They are
Running and jumping
jumping in
in
the where?
the park.
Okay, very good. And for the next one, what is the boy doing?
Is
Hmm,
it
It's
swimming
swimming.
swimming in the sea? Is
Okay,
number 5.
number 5. Very good. And for the last one, this one, what are they doing? This one in the picture, number picture 11. What is the boy and the father doing?
Is fishing with that? It's
Uh,
number 4.
Very good. So fishing with that. Again, let's name each hobbies that we have. Starting from number 1. Again, what is this? What hobby?
It is doing sport.
Number 2.
Painting and drawing
Drawing.
a picture.
Okay, very good. Next.
It playing the piano or guitar.
Okay, and next is?
It flying a kite.
Okay, very good. Next.
It singing a
Singing.
song.
Okay, very good. Next is this one first.
It making cake.
Making cake. Next.
It listening to music.
Listening to music. Next is?
It reading story.
And number 9.
It fishing.
Hmm? Look at the picture, not
It
this one. In the picture. Picture number 9.
it running and jumping in the park.
Okay, next.
It swimming into sea.
Okay, and the last one is?
Eat fishing with dad.
Okay, very good. So those are all of the hobbies or the 11 hobbies that we learn. Okay, so good job. Next, let's proceed and learn our new sentence structures, which will be, so let's first read this one. So can you read this one, Kevin? What's
Your favorite hobby.
Okay, very good. So what's your favorite hobby? So we asked this question, Kevin. So if we want to know, we ask this if we want to know about the activity that someone enjoys in their free time. For example, I will ask you, Kevin, what's your favorite hobby? What do you enjoy doing in your
It,
free time?
it, it,
It's what do you do in your free time? Do you play basketball?
it play skateboard.
Okay, it's playing basketball. So for this one, so we will answer it by I like. Then what is the hobby that is our favorite? Like for example, you. So you like or you play basketball as your hobby. So you will say I like basketball.
I like basketball.
Okay, very good. So one more time, let's practice the sentence structure. So I will ask, what's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
Is
Is it it's? We say, I like.
I like basketball.
Okay, very good. So we answer it by, I like basketball. So because when we are asked by this question, we are being asked, what do we like to do when we have our free time? So you will say, I like basketball or I like playing
I
playing
like
basketball.
I like bas
Playing yes. Or we can say
playing basketball.
okay, very good. So that is how we answer this question. So very good. Okay, so let's play a game about different hobbies. So let me just open the game. And for this game, so you will just say if you like or don't like the hobby that we will see. Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. So I will ask you about the hobby and you will just say if you like it or don't like it. For example, if you saw, let's start. Let's try to have one example. Okay, this one. What hobby is this, Kevin?
Is swimming.
Swimming. Do you like swimming?
I like
I like.
swimming.
Okay, again, do you like swimming?
I like swimming.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay. Oh, it's swimming again. Let me just eliminate this one. Okay, next. Okay, what hobby is this?
Eat football. Soccer.
Mm, football or soccer? It's soccer. Okay. Do you like playing soccer?
I like
I
soccer.
okay, let's see. I like playing
I
soccer.
like playing soccer.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay, what hobby is this, Kevin?
Painting and drawing a picture.
Okay, very good. Painting and drawing picture. So do you like painting and drawing picture?
Yes, I like.
Yes, I like painting.
I like painting and drawing a picture.
Okay, very good. So make sure to always answer in complete sentence. And next. Okay, what hobby is this? Do you know what are they doing in the picture?
Uh,
What are they doing? So we call this hobby as planting. Planting trees. Okay.
I like
You like what?
uh,
I like,
tree.
okay, again, I like
I like
planting
plant
trees.
trees.
Planting.
Planting trees.
Okay, very good. So again, what hobby is this, Kevin?
Um,
What hobby? It's
it planting trees.
okay, very good. Next, spin, spin. Okay, this one. What hobby is this?
Eat piano.
Hmm? Piano?
Yeah.
Only piano? Okay, we
Um,
say it as playing piano. Because if we only say piano, so we are just talking about this one, the instrument itself. So we are not talking about the hobby. So don't forget the word playing piano. Okay, again, what is this hobby?
playing piano. I like
Ah,
playing piano.
okay, very good. I like playing piano. Next. This one. What hobby is this? Hmm?
I don't like
Ah, I don't like.
it.
Guitar only. Okay, again, if we only say the name of the instrument, we are just talking about the instrument itself, not the hobby. So we will say, I don't like playing guitar. So
I
again,
playing guitar.
okay, don't forget the word playing because that is what the girl is doing. She is playing guitar or the guitar. And that is the hobby. Okay, so next. Okay, what hobby is this?
I like I like playing basketball.
Okay, very good. I like playing basketball. Next. Okay, how about this one? What is the boy doing?
I like
I like.
I like
What is the boy doing?
it exciting.
Yes, cycling. So we can say it as riding a bike.
Riding a bike. I
Uh,
like
again, I like.
I like riding a bike.
Very good. So I like riding a bike. And next. We only have 3. Okay, what is the girl doing in the picture?
I don't like running.
Very good. I like running. Next. Okay, this one. What is
I,
the boy?
I don't like tennis.
I don't like
Yes,
tennis only. Okay, again, when we say hobby, Kevin, it is what we do. So we don't just only say the name of the sport. So we add playing. I don't like
I don't
playing.
like playing tennis.
Okay, very good. So don't forget the action word, especially when you are talking about what you do. Okay. So again, what is this hobby? What is the boy doing? Okay. Oh no, what happened, Kevin? You're back. Welcome back. Okay, again. So let's go back to this one. What is the boy doing?
I don't like
Uh,
tennis. Playing tennis.
Okay, very good. So don't forget the verb or the action word playing. Okay, and for the last one, so it's spinning. For the last one is, what hobby is this?
I don't like sing a song.
Okay, I don't like singing.
A song.
Not so singing a song. Okay, again, I don't like.
Singing a song.
Say the whole sentence.
I don't like singing a song.
Okay, very good. So those are the hobbies that you don't like and you like. So very good. So that is how we use the sentence I like and I don't like. So we can use it to answer what's your favorite hobby. And also, so we can use it to answer if someone is asking us about what do you like. Okay, next. So let's have another activity, Kevin. So for this activity, so this is a question and answer. So you will look at the picture and answer the question. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the picture. What is the boy doing?
It's
It's
eat
what is the
game.
boy? Game? Only game? Okay, this one. This is the hobby that we call as playing computer games.
Playing computer game.
Okay. So do you like playing computer games? Or what's
Yes.
okay, so what's your hobby? Favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? So how do we answer this question? Based on this picture. Kevin, based on this picture, what's your favorite hobby?
Uh,
I like, don't forget, we will always answer, I like, I
playing
like.
computer game.
Okay, very good. So again, what's your favorite hobby? Based on the picture. I like.
I like playing computer games.
Okay, very good. Next, okay, let's take a look at the picture. What's her hobby?
What
What's what's her
what
hobby?
what a hobby?
Yeah, look at the picture. What is she doing? What is she doing?
What he
Hmm?
is uh,
What do we call that? So we call it as the hobby photography. Okay, again, what is she doing?
he follow coffee
Photography.
photography
Again, photography.
photography
Photography. Okay, again, can you read this word?
photography
Very good. So what is her hobby?
photography.
Okay, so making this a sentence, so we will say, so since the question is all about her, so meaning, so we are talking about a girl. So her is girl. So what do we use for girls? Is it he or she?
He or
Yes,
she
she. Very good. So in this sentence, so we will say, so she likes photography. Okay,
uh,
let's, she,
she likes photography.
photography. Very good. So for this one, we answered this question, what's her hobby, by saying she likes.
He
And what,
likes photography.
okay, very good. So let's go back to our first question here. So our question here is what's your hobby? So when we say your, so it is all about you. So meaning, so we will answer it by I like. So if the question is what's her
Her,
hobby?
her hobby I like playing computer games.
Okay, very good. So we will answer it if our question is what's your hobby? So I like. And if our question is what's her hobby? So we will use she likes.
She
And
likes
okay. And for the question what's his hobby? So we are talking
my
about,
hobby.
so the in here his, we are talking about boy. So we will use he or she. Boy. He
He,
or she. Again, so what's his hobby? So we are talking here about boys. So what shall we use? He or she? So we will
he,
use he, because for girls, so we will use she. For boys, we will use he. So if we have the question, what's his hobby? So we will answer it by he likes. For what's her, she likes. What's your, I like. Okay, so let's try it in the next picture. Oh, like for example, this one. What's his hobby? So is this a boy or a girl?
He
Boy or girl in the picture? Look at the picture. Is it a boy or is it a girl? Boy or girl? Kevin. It's a
boy.
boy. Very good. He is a boy. And what is his hobby? Is he swimming? Yes or no? Swimming? No, he is not swimming. So we call this hobby as surfing. Okay, again, let's see. Surfing.
He surfing.
Okay, so how do we answer this question? What's his hobby?
He
What's his...
surfing.
Do we use its?
He is playing
Huh?
surfing.
Shall we use playing? Okay, again. So how do we use it in a sentence? So our hobby is surfing. So our subject is a boy. So shall we use he or she?
He
Very good. So how do we answer this question? He,
he playing.
he playing, he likes.
He like surfing.
Very good. So for this one, surfing is already a verb. It is an action word. It is what we do. So we will not put playing anymore because it will be repetitive. So playing is not applicable in this one because surfing is already an action word. Okay? So again, what's his hobby? He likes. Again, how do we answer this question? What's his hobby?
He likes surfing.
Okay, how about this one? Let's go back to this question. What's her hobby? What's her? We are talking about a girl. What shall we use? He or she?
Oh, mm,
He or she?
she.
Okay. How do we use it in a sentence? What hobby is this? What hobby? So we call this one as photography.
Photography.
Okay, what's her hobby? What's her hobby? How do we answer the question, what's her
He
hobby?
like photography.
Very good. And this one? How about in this one? What's your hobby? It is talking about you. How do we answer it?
He like
He? Are you sure it is he? We are talking about your hobby. So it means it is about you. Your.
your hobby.
Yes, so your hobby, it means it is about you. So we will answer it by I. I like, how do we answer it? I like
I like swim.
playing. I like playing. Playing what?
I like playing game.
Is it only game? Okay, very good. So we can only use
Hobby
games or computer games. Very good. So I like computer games. So again, let's review, Kevin. So if our question is, what's your? We are talking about you. So we will use I like.
I like playing computer game.
Okay. And next, what's her? We are talking about a girl. So we will answer it by she likes. So we will add letter S in the word like, and we will use she because we're talking about a girl. Okay, and next, what's his? What's his hobby? Okay, let's add the word hobby. So what's his hobby? So if we are talking about his, we are talking about boy. So we will use or we will answer the question by he likes. Okay? Okay? Do you have any questions? You have any questions? Huh? Okay, do you have, okay, let me translate. Do you have any questions?
I like
Bạn có câu hỏi nào không?
ăn tôi là
Do you have any questions? Yes or no?
no.
Okay, no. Okay, so remember, what's your hobby? We answer it by I like. What's her hobby? We answer it by she likes. What's his hobby? We answer it by he likes. And depending on the picture, what is their hobby? So make sure to review that sentence structure, Kevin, because next Monday, so we will again review the sentence structure and let's see if you can be able to answer the questions. Okay? Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for your time today, Kevin, and see you again next Monday. And goodbye. Thank you.